If you want to get into music production, you'll need an external sound card. They usually have enough inputs and outputs to accommodate most bedroom studios. When it comes to accessibility, an audio interface can be used for multiple devices. Higher quality DACs found in audio interfaces are required for accurate mixing and mastering by professional audio engineers. External sound cards make a huge difference for recording musicians because they make it much easier to plug in microphones or instruments and record in a DAW. In this video, we will be taking a look at some of the best sound cards or audio interfaces you need to use to record and produce music in high quality. Welcome to WeGotMedia. We are a multimedia agency that offers professional services and training in all areas of digital media such as graphic design, video production, audio production, and digital marketing. This channel is dedicated in providing free informational tips and easy tutorials on how to make digital content using various software in the digital media space. Number 1. Focusrite Scarlett 4i4 3rd Generation. Scarlett is simply one of the best options out there. It has been for a while, and it will probably stay the best for a long time to come. Focusrite is the staple sound card audio interface used by many producers and musicians who are beginners and professionals. It has a switchable air mode feature to give your vocal recordings a brighter and more open sound. It has 2 high headroom instrument inputs to plug in your guitar and 2 balanced line inputs for connecting synthesizers, drum machines, and other line-level sources. Some of the features of Focusrite Scarlett 4i4 3rd Generation are: 1. The air transformer emulates the stage perfectly. 2. The drivers are reliable, which means no crashing. 3. You also have the new ISA transformer preamp emulation option. 4. The latency is still low thanks to the control app. Number 2. Audient Evo 4. The sound card has 2 back inputs and 1 front instrument input for bass or guitar. By activating one input, you override the first. There are also 2 outs for speakers and the main dial, which controls the output levels of your monitors. When purchasing their first sound card, people do not want a plethora of knobs, dials, and switches to confuse them. That is why Evo's large dial is useful. Some of the features of Audient Evo 4 are: 1. You get the most from your microphones with the 2 clean, warm and accurate Evo preamps, offering 58 decibels of gain range. 2. You can hear your recordings more accurately than ever with 113 decibels of dynamic range. 3. Evo 4 allows you to just plug your guitar or bass straight in through the JFET instrument input and start recording instantly. Number 3. RME Babyface Pro FS. Like all other RME sound cards, this one includes a real-time mixer, allowing the Babyface Pro FS to record and perform with equipment when necessary. You don't need to install any drivers to use the Babyface because of class compliance. When you activate the CC mode, the device is automatically recognized. The Total Mix FX software gives you complete control over the card, including the ability to create, save, and load preset mixer settings, as well as a fantastic loopback option. This high-end sound card is surprisingly portable, as it is made from a single aluminum block. Some of the features of RME Babyface Pro FS are: 1. It has an incredible build quality and also looks amazing. 2. It has the option to loop back in Total Mix FX. 3. The Digicheck Spectral Analyzer is fantastic. Number 4. Universal Audio UAD Apollo Twin MK2. This sound card includes the same game-changing preamps as the previous version. The mic line and HiZ inputs provide power to the Unison preamps. Even if you don't have the best microphone for home recording, you can transform your home studio into something truly professional. It also includes a premium suite of 5 award-winning Teletronics, Pultec, and UA plugin titles. The UAD Duo core processing provides near-zero latency tracking through vintage compressors, EQs, tape machines, mic preamps, and guitar amp plugins. Some of the features of Universal Audio UAD Apollo Twin MK2 are: 1. It comes with super useful UAD2 plugins that are easy to use. 2. Just as sturdy, reliable, and long-lasting as the original version of the car. 3. Its mic preamps offer stunning models of classic tube and transformer-based mic preamps and guitar amps. Number 5. SSL2 Plus. The SSL2 Plus is the SSL2's older brother. The two cards are identical. However, the SSL2 Plus has two additional outputs, a MIDI input and an additional headphone out. This is useful when you're trying to monitor different mixes. There is also a 4K button that gives you more presence, so your vocals sound great. The high-end boost will give you the impression that you're listening to a signed performer in a professional studio. Some of the features of SSL2 Plus are: 1. The monitoring is exceptionally flat and honest. 2. It features a fantastic signal path and preamps. 3. The new 4K button does add some quality to the sound. Number 6. Native Instruments Complete Audio 2. Native's new lineup is built on the shoulders of giants, thanks to their fantastic technology, impressive hardware, and massive software bundle. The car too outperforms the competition in terms of value for money. The tiny panel of the sound card houses two mic line combo ins, as well as a headphone out and jack outs. Furthermore, there are input selector controls and a plus level on the tiny for easy access on the front panel. The Kato is primarily intended for portability and is as light and compact as the laptop target market allows. It is fully loaded despite its small size. In terms of performance, it can benefit music producers, podcasters, songwriters, and home recording enthusiasts. Some of the features of Native Instruments Complete Audio 2 are: 1. The headphone output comes with high power output and volume control. 2. You get direct monitoring for blending audio playback while recording. 3. There are two inputs with 48-volt phantom power and individual gain control. Number 7. Behringer UMC 404 HD. The sound card has a 4-in 4-out configuration and 4 dedicated preamps, which is unusual in this price range. The preamps are quiet and transparent, and the overall sound quality is excellent considering the price. Some of the features of Behringer UMC 404 HD. 1. This sound card is compatible with all the most used recording software stations including Logic, Cubase, Ableton, Steinberg, etc. 2. The latency levels in the Behringer are very low, almost zero, which makes for ease of recording and great results without timing or other issues. 3. The body of this sound card is made with tough metal. Number 8. Steinberg UR22 MK2. The MK2 is the second-gen version that features iPad compatibility, building on the success of the UR22. This 2 inches to out unit is an excellent purchase for recording enthusiasts of any skill level. A USB 2.0 cable, Cubase Slay, Cubase AI, an installation disc, and a manual are included. The UR22 is well known for its tank-like body, and the MK2 is an equally tough unit with an all-metal chassis. Some of the features of Steinberg UR22 MK2 are: 1. It has a latency-free hardware monitoring process. 2. The loopback function allows for streaming performances live to the internet, with incoming audio signals merged to the playback signal from Cubase or other DACs inside the computer. 3. It comes with a USB bus powered for convenient portability, or use the 5 VDC port to supply power when connected to an iPad to guarantee power stability. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to our channel for more informational videos related to the media industry. See you in the next video.